Hi guys, this is Miss Ortiz again, and today's video is going to be about how can you make a fish using papers that you have in your house. So, are you ready? Okay. Now, I don't know if you guys remember from yesterday's video that it is really important that all the papers you're going to be using to make origami shapes, they have to be a square. That doesn't work if we are going to be using a triangle or a rectangle or a circle or another type of shape. It is really important that the shape that we have in our paper to start making origamis is based on a square. So now that you guys already remembered that, I am going to start. So step number one is going to be, you do have to take the paper and fold it in half and make the triangle shape that is right here. So when you guys finish with that, you guys are going to unfold the paper. You guys are open it again. And then in one of the parts, in one of the corners that you actually fold the paper, in one of those, when you open the paper, in one of those corners can be right or left, not the ones on the top and the ones on the bottom, the one that you have on the right or the one that you have on your left. You guys are going to grab like a small corner that doesn't have to be that precise or small or big, it's just a medium size. Grab one of those corners and fold it all the way to the inside, and be sure that this corner match with the line that you already see on the paper. Now what you guys are going to be doing now, you already have those lines on the paper that you can actually see. You guys are going to fold the paper again, hold it, and this is the shape that you guys are going to be with. So it is looking like the same triangle that you have before, but now is one of the corners of the triangle is missing. Now the other step is quite easy. Now this top of the shape, the top of the triangle, you guys are going to take that part and you guys are going to put it down all the way like this. It's actually quite easy. You don't move the paper, you don't move the shape. Think that this is in front of you on the table, and the only thing that you have to do is just, you can use this hand to hold the bottom so the paper is not going to be moving everywhere and you don't get confused. So hold the paper on the bottom, grab the top of the triangle and slowly put it all the way down. Using one of those fingers, you can hold the paper, and with your other hand, you can actually smooth and finish folding the paper. I know what you guys are thinking, like, Miss Ortiz, this does not really look like a fish, but give me one more second and you guys are going to see. Now, this part is actually really important. Keep the paper in the same way that you have it in front of you. And now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but right here, you do have a line, okay? And we are going to be folding this paper following that line. I don't know if you guys see very well that line that is all over here. Now, I am going to grab the paper and fold there again, all the way to the top, following that line. And voila, we have the fish. I do have a prototype, the one that I showed you before that I make. Sometimes you have to know that depend of how do you fold the paper, or depend on how big is the size of the paper that you guys are going to be using. The fish or the animals that you guys are doing at the end are going to be looking a little bit different. But I mean, that is actually good for you, because that gives you the idea that this doesn't have to be perfect. The idea of this is that you guys have fun and do something fun at the time that you have to be on your house, and paper is something that usually everybody has. So these are two examples about two fish that I just make with that paper, and I hope that you guys like it. I'm going to see you again, and next time we are going to be making a penguin. So enjoy. Bye bye.